3, 2, 1.
What feature of the spine helps with flexibility and strength? The answer is C. Curves. Who broke the 100-meter world record in 2021? The answer is D. Tyson Gay. 4 objects are on a wooden ramp. Which object is most likely to roll off the ramp if it is pushed gently? The answer is B. Round ball. On what continent is the largest freshwater reserve on the planet located? The answer is D. Antarctica. Which book begins with the line "It was a bright cold day in April"? The answer is C. Lord of the Flies. What actor portrayed young Vito Corleone in the 1974 movie masterpiece The Godfather Part II? The answer is D. Robert De Niro. Water and many metals are materials that have low resistance to electric currents and are therefore known as what? The answer is B. Electric conductors. What symbol in the movie The Da Vinci Code was used in connection to the Holy Grail? The answer is A. Chalice. What do you call the folded layers of rock where geologists look for oil? The answer is A. Anticlines. What is the national flower of Venezuela? The answer is B. Orchid. When a volcano erupts, lava flows out from the top. What type of rock is formed as the lava cools? The answer is B. Igneous. Which fruit is also known as granadilla? The answer is C. Passion fruit. What was originally called iPhone by Apple in 2007? The answer is A. BlackBerry. Which game had the character Solid Snake in it? The answer is C. God of War. Transpiration happens in the leaves of what? The answer is B. Shrubbery. What is the name of the lead detective on the show Cold Case? The answer is D. Lily Rush. On the show What's Happening, the gang hung out at what diner? The answer is C. Rob's Place. Which item of clothing was originally designed for drying after bathing or swimming? The answer is A. Towel. In the 1965 movie Thunderball, James Bond is sent to what city to make contact with Domino? The answer is D. Nassau. What is the word for a male pig? The answer is A. A bore. Which property of an object determines how well it conducts electricity? The answer is D. The material that the object is made of. What is the value of pi to 2 decimal places? The answer is A. 3.14. Which of the following well-known people did not attend Rutgers University? The answer is D. Julia Roberts. What is the scientific name for a dinosaur that walked on its hind legs? The answer is B. Bipedal dinosaur. The Fujita scale measures the intensity of what weather event based on wind speed and damage? The answer is A. Tornado. What structures on the gastrodermal cells keep the contents of the gastrovascular cavity agitated and help distribute nutrients? The answer is A. Flagella. Who wrote The Cat in the Hat? The answer is A. Dr. Seuss. In which one of these biographical movies does Terrence Howard play the lead? The answer is D. King of the World. Which character is the main protagonist in Resident Evil? The answer is A. Leon S. Kennedy. What do you use a pencil sharpener for? The answer is B. Writing. Which fruit is used to make tamarind paste? The answer is D. Tamarind. Which one of these American entertainers was not born in Texas? The answer is B. Tommy Lee. Who was the Pharaoh during Moses' time according to the Bible? The answer is A. Ramses Roman II. Which vegetable is commonly served as a side dish in Japan? The answer is C. Sweet potato. Which event marked the end of WW2 in Europe? The answer is D. Yalta Conference. Which of these is not one of the 4 main parts that make up a prescription? The answer is A. Petition. Which animal lays leathery eggs? The answer is A. Turtle. Where do biochemical reactions take place? The answer is C. Inside the organism's cells. Which country has the largest number of parliamentary seats? The answer is A. India. Which 1968 film starred Jane Fonda as a scantily-clad sci-fi heroine? The answer is C. Barbarella. What is the architectural style of the Parthenon? The answer is C. Doric. The saxophone is a member of which family of wind instruments? The answer is B. Woodwind. Which artist created Guernica? The answer is A. Pablo Picasso. Which number comes next in this sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The answer is D. 3. What is the name for a combination of elements that acts as a different substance? The answer is B. Compound. A student has recorded rainfall amounts for 28 days and uses a calculator to determine the total rainfall. What does the student calculate when she divides the total rainfall by 28? The answer is A. Mean rainfall. Which psychologist is known for his work on conditioning and learning? The answer is B. B.F. Skinner. Why would male insects be treated to prevent sperm production? The answer is B. To reduce the total population of insects. Which is likely considered soft? The answer is A. Taffy. Which war involved the Korean Peninsula being divided at the 38th parallel?